In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollar as it's experiencing some selling pressure today. Australian dollar trading lower by a little over 0.5% currently, giving up most of yesterday's gains as we did see some higher levels yesterday. And with today's price action moving us back down towards the lower end of today, we're also looking at the lower end of the range for the past week. Currently priced at 0.642. While we are off the intraday lows, still at the lower end of the range for today, but off the intraday lows. So today we're looking at selling pressure. Primary driver appears to be the RBA announcement this morning. Again, they did go ahead and cut by 25 basis points, widely anticipated. But the announcements moving forward, some of the dialogue as far as what they view as the potential for further cuts appears to be not necessarily in the cards right now. So they did indicate that it's going to be a case-by-case scenario. So I think that that's part of the reason why we are seeing the Australian dollar coming off the intraday lows, but still lower on the session. Also, some of the data points coming out of that region in the last couple of days have been weaker than anticipated. So that's another factor, I think, contributing to selling pressure. Now, when you look at the general trends, the Australian dollar has really developed a range here for the past month. Now, we did see those lows in early April and then a big move off those lows. But really over the past month now, we're holding in a pretty tight range between 0.635 on the low end and 0.65 on the top end. So it's 0.642. We're right in the middle of that range today as we fall back into the middle. And continuing to hold these levels here, which has been the case for the past month. Now, when you look at the other FX futures markets today, really the biggest relative strength as far as weakness is contributing to the Australian dollar, as well as the New Zealand dollar reacting, I think, to the announcement. But the euro, the British pound, the Japanese yen, pretty much unchanged today. So we're seeing flat price action in most of the majors, with the Australian dollar realizing some of the heaviest selling pressure in reaction to the RBA announcement about interest rates early in the session.